Natalie.
Like that, Natalie? Touch it. Yes, you can.
It's gonna jump away from you.
That's from Rania. It's her birthday gift. She gave it to me? Yes, she got it for you.
Show me your face. Her name is Victoria.
So you can name her whatever you want.
But Rania said that's their name.
Yeah, that's
So
her.
she responds.
Victoria.
She responds to it.
Victoria.
See?
She's so cute. Her nails are long.
Mhm.
I don't want to open it because hair is right there.
Don't worry. Hera knows what birds are. She sees them every day in the yard. That bird you can't let out of the cage, okay? You won't get it back. It's okay. When you get older, you'll get more advanced. Then you'll know how to take care of birds. And, you know, then you'll be able to have a way more expensive one because you'll be able to take care of it without dying.
This one loves.
This is your first bird, and you better take care of her.
You're going to help too.
Yeah, I know.
She's so pretty.
I'm doing my